My name is Bernard Kuriakos. I'm a second year computer science student, and this is my project for CS50P, Food Nutrient Program. This program gives you a field to enter the food name, and upon entering a food name and clicking the submit button, it'll send an API request to the USDA website. That is the website I'm using for this program. That is the USDA website. It will be linked in the description of the video. What the website provides is it gives you a nutrition information about the particular food. And now I'll show a demonstration of the program. The first food name, for example, I'll type in rice, or I can also type lemon rice. And second food name, I'll type as millets bread. And in second field, you can see that it gives you an option to select the nutrient types. So you can select as you like. By default, it gives you the energy, protein, and fat and fiber option. You can change it to how do you like. You can add, for example, you can add vitamin A or even potassium, for example. And you click on apply and submit. It'll provide you a bar graph of both the food items, lemon rice and millet bread. The blue one is the first food item. The red one is the second food item, and gives you, of all the selected food nutrient types, it gives you a bar graph. It also displays our ingredient list of both the food items you searched. And there's an additional feature in this program that I have provided. There's an option called Save Here. What this does is it saves your result of your search and your search result into a dictionary. The use of this is that every time you run the program, it sends the API request to the USDA website. And if you have constraint of using a free API key, that time you would prefer to not use the API multiple times. So what this feature does of save option, it saves your results and your food name search into a dictionary file. And every time you search the same food name again, it fetches the details from your dictionary file instead of sending an API request. This concept in the programming world is called memoization. So here specifically, I'm using the JSON file to load and store data. And yes, that is my program. So if you try to apply the same results again, you can notice the time it takes to run the program again will be very less. It's almost instantaneous. And in my system, I measured the difference in time to be approximately 2.5 seconds for the API request and around 100 milliseconds for the local files. So this is Bernard Kuriakos. Thanks CS50P.